Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Who knocked on the door?
It's me, Lily.
How about you?
I'm good.
Who's in your room right now?
No one's in there.
Then where was that voice coming from?
I was just watching a show on my phone.
Which show were you watching?
The Family Man.
Is that a romantic series?
No, it's more of a drama with suspense.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Mind if I watch it with you?
Not at all. Come on in.
Where should I leave my shoes?
Just leave them behind the door.
Can I get a glass of water?
Sure. Here you go.
Want to watch it on the big screen?
Yeah, let's play it on the TV.
Do you like suspense shows?
I love them.
Can I sit next to you?
Of course. Sit right here.
Are you hungry?
Nope, I just had lunch.
Should I grab some fruit?
Nah, I'm craving something spicy.
Want a drink with that?
That sounds awesome.
What would you like?
Coffee sounds perfect.
What time is it?
It's 4:30 in the evening.
Do we have time for 2 episodes?
Yeah, we'll finish before dinner.
Who usually watches this show with you?
I mostly watch it alone.
Do you watch every day?
Only when I get some free time.
Who's your favorite character?
I like the main guy, he's super smart.
Is it based on a true story?
Nope, it's totally fictional.
Do you like thrillers more than romance?
Definitely. Thrillers are way more exciting.
Have you seen the 2nd season?
Yeah, I finished it last week.
Was it better than the first?
I think both are really good.
How many episodes are there?
10 per season.
Do you ever skip scenes?
Only if they drag too much.
Can I borrow your headphones later?
Sure. Just remind me before you leave.
Want some snacks?
Yeah, some chips would be great.
Want me to make some tea?
Nah, let's do coffee later.
Do you have the remote?
Yeah, right here.
Should I turn up the volume?
Just a little, please.
Is the picture clear enough?
It looks perfect now.
Who's your favorite actor?
I'm a big fan of Manoj Bajpayee.
Has he done other shows?
Yeah, lots of movies and series.
Do you prefer Indian shows?
Sometimes. Depends on the plot.
Do you watch more on your phone or TV?
Mostly on my phone while lying in bed.
Do your parents like this show too?
They don't really watch much TV.
Do you enjoy watching alone?
Sometimes, but having company is better.
Should we make some popcorn?
Great idea. Let's do it.
Want butter on it?
Yes, and a bit of salt too.
Do you know how to make it?
Yeah, it's super easy.
Got any weekend plans?
Might catch a movie.
With family or friends?
Going with a couple of cousins.
What movie are you planning to see?
A new action movie that just came out.
Do you like going to theaters?
Yeah, it's more fun that way.
Want to go together sometime?
Sure. Let's plan it.
Are you free Saturday evening?
Yeah, after 6.
Cool, let's book the tickets.
Done. It's gonna be fun.
Did you like the popcorn?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Did you add extra butter?
Just a little.
Do you know how to make coffee?
Yep, I make it every day.
Will you make some for both of us?
Sure, give me 5 minutes.
Do you want sugar in yours?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Should I grab the cups?
Yeah, they're in the top cabinet.
Do you usually drink coffee at night?
Only when I'm watching something long.
Is coffee your favorite drink?
Totally. I love it.
Do you drink tea sometimes?
Yeah, mostly when I'm feeling sick.
Do you like iced coffee too?
Especially in the summer.
Is the episode starting now?
Yep, hit play.
Is this a new character?
No, he was in season 1.
Do you think he's the bad guy?
Maybe. He seems kinda shady.
Should we pause it for a sec?
Sure. I heard something outside.
Was it anything serious?
Nah, just the cat knocked something over.
That gave me a mini heart attack.
Don't worry. Everything's fine.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I really like cats.
Ever had a dog?
Yeah, when I was a kid.
What was his name?
Rocky.
Was he friendly?
Super friendly and very loyal.
Do you miss him?
I do, a lot.
Thinking about getting a pet now?
Maybe someday, when I have more time.
Do you think pets make people happy?
Absolutely. They're like family.
What do you do when you're bored?
I either read or watch something.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly mystery and adventure.
Do you read every day?
Not daily, but often.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yeah, I love Agatha Christie.
Have you read Murder on the Orient Express?
Yep, one of my favorites.
Do you like books or movies more?
Books. They let your imagination run wild.
Can I borrow one sometime?
Sure. I'll give you a great one.
I'll return it soon.
No rush. Take your time.
Should we continue watching?
Yep, let's get back to it.
Do you want to turn the lights off?
Nah, I like it like this.
Is this your favorite episode?
Yeah, there's a major twist coming up.
Have you seen this part before?
Yep, but I still love it.
Do you remember what happens next?
Kinda, but not everything.
Do you watch any other shows?
Yeah, I also watch Deli Crime.
Is it scary?
Not really, just serious.
Do you like longer episodes?
Not too long. 30 minutes is perfect.
Do you use subtitles when you watch?
Sometimes, if the accent's tricky.
What languages do you usually watch in?
Mostly Hindi and English.
Have you seen any Korean shows?
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Did you enjoy them?
Totally. The plots were so different.
Do your friends watch the same stuff?
Some of them, yeah.
Do you talk about episodes with them?
All the time. We love analyzing the story.
Do you think there'll be a season 3?
I hope so. It's really popular.
Do you follow the actors online?
A few of them, yeah.
Do they share behind-the-scenes stuff?
Yep, fans love it.
Do you like reading spoilers?
No way. I avoid spoilers at all costs.
Want more popcorn?
Nah, I'm full now.
Should we drink our coffee now?
Yeah, let's do it.
Can I add chocolate in mine?
That sounds yummy. Go for it.
Do you take milk in your coffee?
Just a splash.
Is the sugar okay?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Want to sit by the window?
Great idea. Fresh air feels nice.
Think it's going to rain?
Maybe. The sky looks kind of gray.
Do you like rainy days?
I love them. So relaxing.
Do you listen to music when it rains?
Yep, soft songs are the best.
Wanna play some music now?
Sure, you pick the song.
Do you like old songs or new ones?
Depends on my mood. I like both.
How about something romantic?
Yeah, something soft and sweet.
Wanna sing along?
Only if you sing too.
Are you a good singer?
Not really, I just sing for fun.
Ever performed on stage?
Once, back in school.
Were you nervous?
Super nervous. My hands were shaking.
Did people enjoy it?
Yeah, I got a good round of applause.
Do you like dancing too?
Yeah, I love dancing at parties.
Have you ever taken dance lessons?
Nope, I just dance for fun.
Do you dance with friends?
Yeah, at weddings and birthdays.
What kind of music do you dance to?
Mostly Bollywood hits.
Ever thought about joining a dance class?
I want to, maybe someday.
Do you watch dance shows on TV?
Yeah, they're really inspiring.
Do you think dancing's good exercise?
Definitely. It keeps you active.
Feeling tired now?
A little, but I'm good.
Want to take a break?
Yeah, let's relax a bit.
Want a blanket?
That'd be nice.
Are you cold?
Just a little.
Should I close the window?
Yes, please.
Is it windy out there?
Yeah, the wind's pretty strong.
Want to lie down?
I'm good sitting right here.
Want to keep watching?
Yeah, let's do one more episode.
Do you binge watch sometimes?
Weekends are for binge watching.
What's the most you've watched in a day?
Like 6 hours straight.
Did you skip meals?
Just snacked in between.
Ever feel guilty after that?
Not really, it was fun.
Do your parents complain about screen time?
Sometimes, but they get it.
Do you wear glasses?
Yeah, for watching screens.
Since when?
Since high school.
Is your number high?
Not too bad, just mild.
Do you visit the eye doctor often?
Once a year.
Are you on your phone a lot?
Yeah, for school and fun stuff.
Use social media much?
A bit, not too much.
What app do you use the most?
Instagram and YouTube.
Do you follow learning pages?
Yeah, I watch English learning channels.
That's great. Do you practice daily?
I try to, practice really helps.
Do you speak English with friends?
Some of them, yeah.
Are they fluent?
Some are still learning.
Do you feel shy when speaking?
Sometimes, but I push through it.
Want to practice with me daily?
Yeah, that would really help.
Let's start a daily English chat.
I'm in. Every evening sounds good.
Do you write down new words?
Yeah, I keep a small notebook.
Do you review them daily?
I try to go over them every night.
Do you use English apps?
Yeah, like a dictionary app.
Do you watch English movies?
Sometimes, with subtitles.
Can you understand the accent?
Not always, but I'm improving.
What's the last movie you watched?
The Pursuit of Happiness.
Did you like it?
It was super emotional and inspiring.
Like action movies too?
Yeah, they're exciting.
What's your favorite English movie?
Avengers, Endgame.
Know all the characters?
Almost all of them.
Who's your favorite superhero?
Iron Man.
Got posters at home?
Yeah, in my room.
Do your friends like Marvel too?
Yep, we talk about it a lot.
Watched any DC movies?
Yeah, The Dark Knight was awesome.
Favorite villain?
Joker, so deep and smart.
Do you read comic books?
Not really, but I watch cartoons.
Play superhero games?
Yeah, on my phone.
Are they fun?
Totally.
Mobile games or PC games?
Mobile, they're easier.
What's your favorite mobile game?
Call of Duty, mobile.
Play every day?
Only in my free time.
Are you good at it?
Yeah, I win a lot.
Do you play with friends?
Yeah, as a team.
Use a headset too?
Yep, for chatting.
Ever joined a tournament?
Nope, just casual games.
Want to be a pro gamer someday?
It'd be cool, but I'm focused on studying.
Like puzzles or word games?
Yeah, they sharpen your brain.
Tried crossword puzzles?
I enjoy solving them.
Play with family too?
On weekends, sometimes.
What games do you play with them?
Mostly Ludo and Carom.
Do you win often?
Not always, but it's fun.
Family time is the best?
Totally agree, I love it.